Hi, everybody, tutorial of QRCode and MicroQRCodes 1, choose the right software. UCCSOFT SmartVizor set label size, select, draw QRCode QR code type, input data like URLs, text, or it may be double-clicking. The QR code, customize styles including color, shape, and borders generate and save as a PDF or printer. MicroQRCode 2, creating MicroQRCode the same steps as QR code, but choose MicroQRCode type. Anti-Counterfeit Tracing, drag and drop unique product ID or trace code into the MicroQRCode. Consumers can scan to verify authenticity and traceability via a web page, generate unique trace code, establish a database, and develop a verification sys customized QR code that functions like contacts, Wi-Fi connections, emails, or texts. Customize colors in SmartVizor. Add logos or patterns as variable or fixed images. Testing and verification. Use a QR code scanner app on your phone to scan the general QR code. By following these UCCSOFT steps, you can create tracing capability QR codes with various functions, colors, and anti-counterfeit capabilities. Have a try and download www.ucsoft.command. Good luck!